a psycho-physiological approach to the opening of the lodge in the first degree. Originally written by Brother Arthur E. Powell in 1926, revised and produced in audiovisual form by Brother Ira Ramos in 2025.
Prologue.
The opening of the lodge in the first degree is established through an assemble of words and actions which every Freemason becomes familiar with. Being one of the most repeated parts of our ritual, every Freemason works through this formula countless times during his Masonic journey. But have you ever attempted to deeply contemplate what exactly is being opened? Or otherwise, have you meticulously intended to decipher what each part of this familiar ceremony really means?
Introduction.
To the thoughtful and imaginative, one of the most striking features of Masonic ritual is the magical way in which phrases, so simple and direct as to be almost homely, conjure to ideas in the mind and stir the latter to feel its way gropingly through the words, as through these were open doors of wonder, mystery, and reality. Perhaps there has been more ingenuity devoted to devising interpretations of the sentences of the opening ceremony than any other portion of the ritual. The impression conveyed by these questions and answers, an impression which familiarity serves only to deepen, is that great things are afoot, that powerful forces are being called into being, that hidden secrets are to be unlocked, momentous action undertaking. The very first phrase consisting, curiously enough, of 7 words, the number foretelling completion, perfection, spiritual awakening, and hidden knowledge. These 7 words will instantly arrest the attention, as might as a trumpet call, revealing even in its most outermost structure an introduction outline of the fundamentals of Freemasonry. Brethren, assist me to open this lodge.
Next, Chapter 1. Assign duties from office bearers of the lodge to the psychophysiologic functions of man.